Can you see yourself in the 2018 Infiniti QX80? With less than 25,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. This impressive QX80 delivers premium comfort and rugged capability wrapped in bold style. Spacious, quiet, feature-rich, and seriously powerful, this full-size luxury SUV is the stuff family memories are made of. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: third row seat, heated driver's seat, keyless entry, wood grain interior trim, remote engine start, fog lamps, satellite radio, sunroof, heated mirrors, iPod, MP3 input. Feel in command of the road when you're at the wheel of this powerful QX80. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.